You know, I'm a hunter. Nothing grows in my land. They're like in yours. So every food I had to consume had to be crawling, swimming, walking, or flying. That's all I have. This is the first time I have ever shown one of my medicines as an Angaangaq. Angaangaq is what you in English know as a shaman. This is the caribou, tuttu. It represents plenty, because the caribou will lose the antlers every season, and they will grow back. So thus, it represents plenty for us. So the animal, as a hunter, I have never in my life hunted to kill. I'm now 63 years old. I can say that with clear conscience in my heart that I have never in my life hunted to kill. I've only hunted to eat. Very big difference. So when you speak to the animal, it's really fascinating to speak to the animals. And then the animals themselves will talk amongst each other. And then they will walk away, all of them, except for one. And that's the beauty of being a hunter. The old ones tells us that my relationship to the seal is the most important one, which is my main food. So you call them, so they can come and meet you, and you can get to know each other. Then they are at ease with me. And when I call, it is now time for ceremony. One of them will be ready. One will be ready. And that's the one I will take. And the seal, of course, realizing the greatest honor in his life is to be caught. So that's the relationship of Mother Nature and man.